In this video, I will show you one of the laziest methods of making money on Pinterest.com. This is because you can leverage Pinterest.com as a free source of traffic, even if you don't have any followers. Plus, there's no need to own a website or reveal your identity. Additionally, there's a great platform which enables you to get traffic not only from Pinterest itself, but also from Google searches. I'll guide you through every step of the process and demonstrate precisely how to establish this setup. Let's dive right into Pinterest.com now. Once you sign up and logged in into your account, you can explore Pinterest trends by navigating to trends.pinterest.com. You can always find a trend happening in real time by selecting top monthly trends. As you can see, this month's trends are nails, spring nails, aesthetics, celebrity outfit, spring outfit, fashion, and many others. But in this video, I got an idea of a specific keyword that we are going to use. It is birthday present. Yes, such a simple niche, but let's take a look at it. Just type in birthday and see what we get. Present ideas. We can click on ideas or even birthday present. Just click on ideas and take a look at this. Looking at the graph here, you'll notice a high number of searches for birthday present on Pinterest throughout the whole year, with many people using it to find present ideas. And especially now we are seeing an increase in interest over time, so it might be a really good idea that I got and a really good keyword that you can use in this video. So you can capitalize on this by joining the Amazon affiliate program. Simply visit their affiliate site, which is called Amazon Associates, and sign up and start earning commissions whenever someone purchases a product through your referral link. This process is straightforward and I'd already have an account, so I won't show you how to sign up on Amazon Associates. I'll guide you through setting up a system to earn money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, even if you don't have any followers. First, let's head over to a website called kit.co. Right, that's .co, not .com. Sign up there to create a free account, and once registered, you can create a new kit. This is my account that I can quickly show you. I only have two kits. This one is called Aesthetic Art Insight that I used for one of my videos, and this one is my studio setup. If I click on this kit, you can see all of my products that I'm using in my studio and making my videos. I always share this link in my bio so you can check my products out. And in this video, I will show you how you can build your kit with Amazon products, so whenever somebody clicks on your kit.co link and they come to your store, this kind of store like this, your kit, your product store, they can check your products out, and if they see something they like, they can purchase them through Amazon and you'll get a commission. Basically, this allows you to compile a collection of products into one virtual store. There, each product is linked through your affiliate links. Guys, quick interruption here. I just wanted to show you that I created the ultimate affiliate marketing guide for beginners, and this will help you to start this journey with affiliate marketing, especially on Pinterest. This is called Build a Business That Makes You $100 a Day. And this guide is completely free. It costs $0. Of course, you can add some tips because I created more than 5,000 words, 52 pages guide just for you. And this says what you learn inside, why this guide is a must, and who is this for. You can read this through, and it has 5-star rating and people like this product. I'll leave it down in the description. Just click the link and you land in this page. Now let's go back to our video. Now to create a new kit, click on plus icon on the top right corner and click on create a new kit. Now we can name this kit birthday present ideas and click on next. You can also add a brief description to your kit to explain what it offers, but I just skipped this step. Now we need to start adding products from Amazon. To earn commission via kit.co, it's necessary to have an Amazon Associates account, as you'll need to be an affiliate with Amazon. This enables you to link your affiliate ID to your account. I'll quickly show you how to do it. Just click on your profile, edit profile, click on monetize and scroll down until you see this line right here. Enter your affiliate codes for select stores. Click on Amazon and you can paste your tracking ID from whichever country you registered. Now let's go back to creating our new kit. Now we want to add our products, and to generate ideas for these birthday presents, go to ChatGPT, just simply type in ChatGPT, and you can use a specific prompt like this one. Create 10 unique and cheap birthday present ideas from Amazon.com and put them into one table. Click enter, and now Amazon generated a list of gift ideas from Amazon.com, and as you can see, there's a numbering, there's a gift idea like this one, personalized leather keychain, and you can see also a price range. In my opinion, price range column is not important for us, but I recommend usually to add birthday presents a bit cheaper and affordable for most people, not like expensive stuff. That's why I put cheap word in my prompt. Once you find an idea you like, you can simply just copy it, and let's do that right now. What do you think about this? Bluetooth shower speaker. Sounds great. Just copy it, go back to our kit, paste it right here, click here, or you can click enter and just basically add a product you like. You can always do more research on Amazon.com. Just simply go to Amazon.com and you can simply paste the same birthday present, click enter, and we can sort by maybe best sellers. Let's see what we get. We get this one right here, JBL clip. It's $49.95, not too bad. This one looks great. This one also. What do you think? I think I'll choose this one because this one has the most reviews, and just click on it. We can simply copy the link and go back to your kit. Click on back, delete this, and we can paste the link in this area right here. Just click on enter and we get the same exact product we just looked on Amazon.com. So just click on add to kit, and here you go. We already have one product in our kit. Then you add the product to your store, your kit, you'll earn a commission, your affiliate commission each time it's purchased. Now preferably you want to have as many products in your kit as possible. Don't save your time on this. Add as many products as you can, as many gift ideas as you can, maybe 10, maybe 20, 30, 40, as many as you like. But remember, then someone clicks on your kit and they see just one product, maybe don't like this product. Maybe this person doesn't want a Bluetooth speaker. But if you have a bunch of products and there's a huge variety, for example, like scratch off wall map posters, DIY candles, novelty socks, mini indoor tabletop fountain, and other stuff, there's a bunch of products that the person can choose from, and there's a higher possibility that you'll make a commission from his purchase. So in this video, I don't want to waste a lot of time, so I'll add a couple more products and I'll see you in the next step. Okay, I added some products and now I'll demonstrate exactly how to link this to Pinterest and use the platform to drive free traffic, even if you don't have any social media followers. And don't forget to add your Amazon Associates ID to your kit.co account. Then someone purchases these products from your store, you can be credited and earn a commission from those sales. Now for the next step, we'll use ChatGPT again. So go back to ChatGPT and enter a prompt to create content such as write a 2,000 to 3,000 words blog post titled Top 10 Birthday Present Ideas. And also you can ask it to use your chosen ideas and specify that the tone should be friendly, and ask for a brief summary of each gift idea included. Now, once you have all of these gift ideas and the entire article composed by ChatGPT, the next move before returning to Pinterest.com and demonstrating how to use it for free traffic is to publish this content, this blog post on a platform like Medium.com. Let's quickly go to Medium.com. This is the same platform that many people use to drive free traffic to their affiliate links and various offers they are selling. To get started, click on Write and you get a blank page where you can write your article. In this case, we already have our article, so get back to ChatGPT, click on Copy, go back to Medium.com and paste the article right here. It also added a title, so we can delete this. We can copy this and paste it into a article section right here. We can cut it, click on Ctrl X and paste it right here. You have to make your content more engaging by adding images. Just click on the plus icon to include visuals in your post. You can find any image on sites like Pexels.com. Those images are completely free to use. I don't want to waste a lot of time, but I'll show you with adding one more picture. So let's go to Pexels.com and search for birthday present and choose any picture you like. For example, I really like this one. Click on download. It will be downloaded to your computer. Go back to Medium.com. Click on this icon over here which says add an image and choose your image we just downloaded. So my recommendation would be that you add an image for each gift you added. So in this case, personalized leather keychain, you can go to Amazon.com, search for it, or in this already have opened a Bluetooth speaker, you can click on the right button and click on open image in new tab. You can click on save image as, save this image, go back to Medium.com, search for our Bluetooth speaker, click on enter, click plus, add an image and add a speaker. And look at this, it already looks much better and more appealing to a reader. You can also make your points more eye-catching by making it bold. As I said, this is just an example for this video, so I'm not gonna waste a lot of time adding those images right here, but you should do that. Now that in your article, it's crucial to include links directing readers to your Kit.co store. To do this, go back to your Kit account and find a section which says share this skin. Click on three dots and copy link to share. Now go back to Medium.com and you can either highlight this text, click on this icon right here and paste your link right here. You can add your link like this, or you can either create a call to action. An example would be like this. Click here to buy this product. You can highlight this, make it bold and click on link, paste your link right here. Now you can add this link throughout the whole blog post. This way, when someone reads the article, we can easily click through and potentially make a purchase from your store, especially if they are interested in the birthday present ideas you're presenting. Once you have incorporated this call to action and linked it within the article, you're ready to publish. Simply click on publish and publish now, and your article is now live on Medium.com. Next, we have to copy the URL of our article, so click on this button over here and click on copy link. And now head over to Canva.com. On Canva, search for Pinterest pin, click enter, and you can search for a template to use for Pinterest pin. Canva is a graphic design platform that offers a wide array of templates, allowing you to create promotional designs that can be published on Pinterest.com and other sites. For instance, if you search for birthday present ideas, click enter, you'll find various templates available. Select one that suits your needs and click on customize this template. If your focus is on a specific birthday, you can customize your template fully to your needs. You can even start with a blank template if you wish. You can do a bunch of things here, but I won't waste a lot of time in this video and I'll fast forward through this process. Once you're done with your design, click on share and download your template. Now go back to your Pinterest account. In this video, I'll be using this account right here that I used in my previous videos, but my recommendation would be that you create and you customize your profile to your niche. In this case, I would definitely change my account name to something like present ideas or even birthday present ideas, change my description and my banner and logo, of course. You can also create these logos and banners with canva.com. I'll just post in this account because it's my test account that I use for videos. Now to create a pin, click here and click on create pin. Choose an image we just downloaded and continue to the next steps. Now we need to add a title. I recommend to use the same title as in our blog post. Just go back to your blog post and back to Pinterest and paste the title right here. For the description, we can quickly go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a description for Pinterest pin about birthday present ideas. Click enter and just copy this part right here. Go back to your Pinterest pin and paste it right here. You can always add some emojis and make it more eye-catching, but in this case, I'll just leave it as is. Now we need to add a link. So let's go back to medium.com. Just copy our link one more time. Go back to Pinterest and paste it right here. The strategy behind directing them to a Medium article first is to enhance the likelihood of them clicking through to your kit.co store. Moreover, by promoting the article on Pinterest, you not only increase its visibility on Medium, which may get it recommended to more users, but also improve its potential to rank higher on Google for relevant searches, such as top birthday present ideas. This approach helps to drive traffic both to your Medium content and to your store, optimizing your promotional efforts. Now you can choose a board or create one. For example, click on create a board, type in birthday present ideas, click create. You can add tags, but I'll leave it as is. And now just click on publish. To view your pin, you can simply click on your profile and take a look at this. 10 heartwarming birthday present ideas to make their day extra special. And once someone gets interested in this, they can click on this link and they are redirected to your blog post. They can read this whole article or scan through your products. And for example, if they find Bluetooth shower speaker interesting, they can click on this link or click here to buy this product and they're redirected to your kit.co store and they can buy it on Amazon by clicking here. Okay, everything works well. Just keep in mind that using only free traffic won't make you dollars overnight. It's gonna take some time depending on the niche and product you choose, of course. But if you wanna deepen your knowledge in affiliate marketing, don't forget to grab a free affiliate marketing guide down below, like this video and subscribe for future strategies. See you in the next video.